guys, what's up? My name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lauren. Today's video is an unboxing video, and this unboxing is from a very new, small, black owned business, and I can't wait to show y'all. So it came in this purple plastic bag. It's a pretty shade of purple, but just to open it right up and to get right into this video, this is the box, and I hope I pronounced this correctly. It's the RAPA Beauty Essentials. That's the brand, RAPA Beauty Essentials, and the little logo is to heal, to make whole. That's super cute. This is one of the brands that I was expecting to get in my Chit Chat Get Ready With Me. I mentioned how I had 5 brands reach out to me this month. This is part of the 5, and I was super excited. So when I opened the box, this is what it looks like. It has this cute little shimmery sheet draped on top to make it look pretty, which is cute. And if you watched my Curls Dynasty unboxing, I mentioned how they didn't have nothing cute in their box. This is what I meant. This cute little detail is cute. The little papers is cute. So I'm going to take out the card first. RAPA Beauty Essentials, whipped butters, oils, lip care, scrubs, and more. Everything starts from within. And this is all her information. I have all of this down below in the description. And this is the front of her card. That's her logo, y'all. It's super cute. Her name is Daisha. She was sweet. She emailed me and she DM'd me on Instagram. And I replied back on both because I'm not going to miss out on the opportunity. You hear me? So I'm going to take out the little pretty papers. Well, I don't need to take it out. Let me stop being dramatic. The first thing I see is this little tiny jar. She only sent me sample sizes, so it's nothing crazy. But this is the whipped mango butter, and it has mango butter, shea butter, oils, grapeseed. I really can't read that small thing, y'all, but that's what it looks like. And if I have any extra information to add about these, I will put it on the screen as I'm talking. But like I just said, this is the whipped mango butter. So I'm just going to open it. It has a very natural scent. I don't think it smells like mango. It don't smell like shea butter either. Well, it might. I don't really know. But it has just a natural scent. And it's a whipped butter. So that's what it looks like. And it's very, you see that? That's very moisturizing. I wonder, I imagine you can use this on your hair and body, and that would be really moisturizing. I have very dry skin, so when I do my skincare routine very soon, I think I'm gonna use this butter to, moisturize my face. But yeah, that's the whipped mango butter. Next, this little plastic bag right here. It's an oil though. This is the little jar. It's a cute little jar. It's so cute. Everything is cute when it's mini. Let me smell it. It smells like the mango butter, honestly. I don't know what this is. I don't know what type of oil this is. I'm going to look through my messages with her, so I'm going to have the name of the oil on the screen. But yeah, it has flowers in there, herbs in there. So super cute. And then lastly in the box is this right here. That's it. These are super cute. It's shimmery, it's purple, it's white. I like that attention to detail. All right. Oh, this is cute. So this is whipped shea butter. Yeah, this one smells good. It looks different too. I'm gonna, oh, that even feels, actually feels better than the other one. It's feel more moisturizing to the touch. Oh yeah, that even feels more moisturizing. So what is this? I like how natural it smells. I don't know what that is. It just say whipped shea butter and whipped mango butter. So I would just assume this is the whipped shea butter and this is the whipped mango butter. Is this in lavender? I don't know. I have to look through my messages. And then this is whipped hair butter. It's no cards in it. This one almost, oh, is this the eucalyptus? This is eucalyptus. Okay, I'm going through my messages because, oh, y'all, that's that right there. Oh, yeah. Look at that. I like that. This is the mango, and I'm pretty sure this is the lavender scent, if I'm not mistaken, but I'm like pretty freaking sure this is the eucalyptus. So this is that. This is all three of them. I like the packaging. It's really like cute. I imagine that when you get the bigger jars, it's really freaking cute. But yeah, y'all, that's it. I'm like very much impressed with the quality. Not that I was expecting like low quality. I'm just like impressed. I've never been sent butters like this before. Any other butter I have is like producty, like it's creamy. This is like a butter, like a moisturizing butter. I like that, and it can be used on skin, I'm assuming, and your hair. So body and hair, I'm gonna use this to seal in my face because my face gets so dry, y'all. I'm excited to use it. But that is it. I'm gonna show y'all everything one more time. This is the whipped mango butter. This is the whipped shea butter that I'm pretty sure is lavender. This is the whipped hair butter. And then this is a hair oil that I got. And it's all sample sizes. So yeah, I can't wait to use it. But that's it for this video. Be sure to check out my description box. I'm going to have all of her stuff at the top, or like after my little bio I type out, or description I type out, but it's going to be at the top. So check out her Instagram and her website. Yeah, she has an Etsy shop. Instagram, Facebook, and her email will all be in the description box. But that's it for this video. So if you all enjoyed this unboxing, this video, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you would try these butters. Comment down below, you know, if you're interested in these butters. I like them. Share this video with a friend and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.